Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Ron W. Satz, founder and chair of the International Society of Unified Science and president of TransPower Corporation, a commercial and custom software manufacturing and certified systems engineering company. I work as a theoretical physicist and as a systems and mechanical engineer. Today, as with most of my screencasts, we'll be discussing the reciprocal system, how it compares to conventional theory. The topic is dark matter hypothesis has been disproven. I think that most people have not seen this particular article from Science Daily, but let's take a look at it. It's quite interesting. This is from December 5th, 2018, Yale University. A new international experiment challenges previous claims about the detection of non-luminous dark matter. So, let's see what they say here. Quoting from the article, astrophysical evidence suggests that the universe contains a large amount of non-luminous dark matter, yet no definite signal of it has been observed despite concerted efforts by many experimental groups. So I'm going to skip down here. The new cosine 100 experiment based at an underground dark matter detector at the Yang Underground Laboratory in South Korea has begun to explore DAMA's claim. DAMA is the dark matter collaboration. It is the first experiment sensitive enough to test DAMA and use the same target material of sodium iodide. Cosine 100 has been recording data since 2016 and now has initial results that challenge the DAMA findings. These findings were published online this week in the journal Nature. Okie doke. So I come down here quoting from the lead investigator. Quote, the initial results carve out a fair portion of the possible dark matter search region drawn by the DAMA signal. In other words, there is little room left for this claim to be from the dark matter interaction unless the dark matter model is significantly modified, end quote said. And that's Hyun Soo Lee, the other spokesperson for Cosine 100, and an associate director of the Center for Underground Physics at IBS. All right. Of course it's nonsense. I want to explain something to you too, that the rotation of our spiral galaxy, the Milky Way and other spirals, it's a heterogeneous fluid rotation. The stars are not orbiting in Keplerian orbits. There's no missing matter. This is a mistake made by Rubin, and she just got this completely wrong. So again, the stars are not moving in Keplerian orbits around the center of each galaxy. The whole structure is a rotating fluid. It's heterogeneous, of course, not homogeneous. So anyway, there is no dark matter. So it now seems that, quote, dark matter hypothesis has been disproven. In the reciprocal system, there certainly is matter in between galaxies, but it's ordinary matter or cosmic, that is inverse matter, not some new form of matter. So please study the reciprocal system and prove it for yourself. Now, for the simplest possible treatment of the reciprocal system, please obtain my work, The Unmysterious Universe. It's available from Amazon.com or TransPowerCorp.com. It just has the concepts, numerous diagrams, very little math. But if you do want all the mathematics, please obtain my magnum opus, Existence and Interactions, a Computational Treatise of the Reciprocal System, the True Theory of Everything. 1,711 pages in the PDF file, 1,711 slides in the PowerPoint file. Thousands and thousands of equations, diagrams, figures, tables, everything you need to understand how our universe actually operates. It'll take you months to go through this work. Then, once you get through with Existence and Interactions, you can obtain my two database modules, the Reciprocal System Microcosmos Database and the Reciprocal System Macrocosmos Database. The Microcosmos Database has the calculation for all the properties of matter, including particles, subatoms, atoms, compounds, and alloys, both material and cosmic. It includes a great graphing package as well. The Reciprocal System Macrocosmos Database has all the astrophysical properties for the universe as a whole. Galaxy clusters and groups, star clusters, stars, planets, moons, minor bodies like asteroids and comets, nebulae and dust clouds, and voids. It also includes a great graphing package. Recently, we reduced the price of these two database modules all the way down to $95 each, which is an amazing bargain for what you get. The Existence Interactions is still at $33, and the Mysterious Universe is at the low, low price of $9.50. So please consider purchasing these works if you wish to promote the reciprocal system theory, if you really wish to understand how our universe actually operates, and not the nonsense of so-called modern physics. All right, that wraps it up for today. Please study the reciprocal system and prove it for yourself, and thanks for your attention.